Welcome to my channel. Let's say more English.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Hi. Do you have any rooms available tonight?
Yes, we do. How many nights will you stay?
I need a room for 2 nights.
And how many guests will be staying?
Just one. I'm traveling alone.
We have queen rooms and king rooms available.
How much is a queen room?
It's $129 per night before taxes and fees.
What would the total be for 2 nights?
The room total is about $292.
Does that include all taxes and hotel fees?
Yes, that includes all taxes and fees.
Is breakfast included with the room?
Yes, it's included and served from 6 to 10.
What kind of breakfast do you serve?
We have eggs, fruit, cereal, toast, and coffee.
That sounds good. Is Wi-Fi also free?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free everywhere in the hotel.
Do I need a password?
Yes, it's printed on your key card holder.
Okay. Is parking available here?
Yes, we have a garage behind the hotel.
Is there an extra charge for parking?
Parking costs $15 per night.
That's fine. Can I enter the garage anytime?
Yes, your key card opens the garage gate.
Good. Does the hotel have a gym?
Yes, the gym is open 24 hours.
Does the hotel also have a pool?
Yes, the indoor pool closes at 10 tonight.
Nice. I'll take the queen room.
Certainly. May I see your photo ID?
Yes, here's my driver's license.
Thank you. Is Emma Green the correct name?
Yes, that's correct.
May I have the card you'll use to pay?
Sure. Can I use a credit card?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Great. Here's my card.
With parking, your total will be about $322.
Will you charge the full amount tonight?
Yes. We'll also place a $50 hold.
When will the hold be removed?
Your bank usually removes it within 3 to 5 business days.
Okay. Do you need my phone number?
Yes, please. What is the best number?
It's 212-416-0186.
Thank you. May I also have your email?
Sure. Let me write it down for you.
Great. Would you like a printed receipt?
An email receipt is fine. Thank you.
Your card was approved, and your room is ready.
Wonderful. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 on your departure day.
So I need to leave by 11, correct?
Correct. Please check out by 11.
Can I extend my stay if needed?
Yes, please ask us by 10 tomorrow morning.
Will the same room still be available?
I can't promise, but we'll do our best.
That makes sense. Are there important hotel rules?
Please don't smoke anywhere inside the hotel.
Of course. I'll follow that rule.
Please also keep noise low after 10.
No problem. I'll be quiet.
Here are 2 key cards and your parking pass.
Do both cards work for the garage?
Yes, both open your room door and garage gate.
Great. Where should I put the parking pass?
Please place it on your dashboard.
Okay. Where is the elevator?
Walk past the front desk, then turn left.
Is it near the breakfast area?
Yes, it's across from the breakfast area.
Which floor is my room on?
Your room is on the 4th floor.
Which way do I go upstairs?
Turn right, and room 412 is near the end.
Is there an ice machine on that floor?
Yes, it's beside the elevator.
Good. Can I get extra towels later?
Certainly. Press 0 on your room phone.
Can I also request a wake-up call?
Yes. What time would you like it?
Please call me at 7 tomorrow morning.
I've scheduled your wake-up call for 7.
Thank you. Is breakfast served downstairs?
Yes, it's beside the lobby.
Do I need to show anything for breakfast?
No, just tell the staff your room number.
Perfect. Is there a place to buy drinks?
Yes, vending machines are near the elevators.
Great. I think I have everything.
The front desk is open all night.
Can I call there with any questions?
Absolutely. Just press 0 from your room.
Thank you for making this easy.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay with us.
Thanks. Have a good evening.